Hello friends, welcome to EMTECH channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law and what is Ohm's law triangle and what is the applications of Ohm's law and what are the limitations of Ohm's law. We are going to see these four topics. Without wasting time, let's start the video. First, what is Ohm's law? What is Ohms? Actually, it is name of a German physicist George Ohm, who derived in early 1800s a relationship between the potential difference and current, and that this derivation is called as Ohm's law. By definition, Ohm's law states that at a constant temperature in a linear bilateral circuit, the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its ends. So this is expressed in that formulation as V is directly proportional to I, and when we are introducing a constant of proportionality R, that is namely a resistance, so the formula will become transformed into V equal to IR. So what are the applications of Ohm's law? Ohm's law can be used to find either voltage or current or resistance when any of the two parameters are given. For example, if I know the voltage, I know the current, but I want to find the resistance of the circuit, you can use this Ohm's law formula to find the resistance. Or if I have a voltage or resistance and I want to find the current, you can similarly use this Ohm's law to find the value. We will see it one by one. Suppose if you want to find the resistance of a circuit in which applying voltage of a 24 volt gives the current of 2 amps. So we can apply Ohm's law here. What is the Ohm's law? V equal to IR. So when I am evaluating it, it becomes R equal to V by I, because I am keeping R here constant and V here, and I am bringing I to opposite side, so it will become R equal to V by I, and hence the resistance of the circuit will become voltage equal to 24 volt and I equal to 2 amps, and the value will come 12 ohms. Means that if I apply a voltage of 24 volt with a resistance of 12 ohms, I will get a current of 2 amps. In the same way, we can calculate for voltage, current and resistance, and here it is V equal to IR. So this formula we know already. This is the basic of Ohm's law, and I equal to V by R. When keeping I here and bringing R opposite side, it will become I equal to V by R, and R equal to V by I. So I am keeping R here and I am bringing I opposite side, so it will become R equal to V by I. And to memorize this easily, there is a conceptual image called Ohm's law triangle, and we will see it now. This is the Ohm's law triangle. It is a conceptual triangle that is used to calculate the formula for voltage, current and resistance and its relationships. For example, if I want to find the voltage V, just hide the V here. What will be there? I R. So I into R, you can see here V equal to IR. And next, if I want to find the value of I, what happens? Hide the I here. So what is the remaining? Above is V and bottom is R. So what will become equation? I equal to V by R. In the same way, if I want to find the resistance, hide the R. What will be there? In top there is V, and in bottom it is I, means that R equal to V by I. Now let us see about the limitations of Ohm's law. Ohm's law will be valid only for the circuit with constant temperature and in linear circuits and in bilateral circuits. Only if these three conditions are met, the Ohm's law will be true. Otherwise, the Ohm's law will be invalid. So what is a linear circuit? Linear circuit is a circuit in which the parameters of all components in the circuit is constant and will not depend on voltage. The circuit component should not depend on the voltage, and it should behave irrespective of the voltage given. That is, circuits in which the increase in voltage increases the current proportionally is called as the linear circuits. Next comes bilateral circuit. Bilateral circuit is a circuit in which all the components present in the circuit can conduct current in both the directions. In other words, the circuits in which the property of it will not change and the supply voltage is reversed is called as a bilateral circuit. For example, resistors and inductors can conduct current in both the directions without their property change, but in case of a diode, it will conduct current in only one direction and it will not conduct the current in opposite direction. So the diode will not come under bilateral circuit. The circuit in which diode is present is not called as a bilateral circuit, and it will not obey Ohm's law. Now we will see in the waveform. First we will see the waveform representation for a linear circuit. In x-axis current is given and in y-axis voltage is given, and if you see waveform goes in linear way, means when the voltage is increased the current will also be increased, and this is called as a linear circuit. And now we will see about the bilateral circuit. In case of a bilateral circuit, the current versus voltage, if you can see it will also take the linear motion. In this case also, when the voltage is increased, current is also being increased and in forward direction, and when the voltage is applied in reverse, it behaves as the same way as it behaves when the voltage is given in forward direction. And this is a waveform for a bilateral circuit. Friends, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to press the bell button next to it so that you will receive all the notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video.